Can you please stand up? Can you please stand up? Wherever you are, can you please stand up? And who have you come with?
सबसे पहले टीम दिलवाले को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि इतना सारा प्यार आप बांट रहे हैं और सभी को। मैं प्रशांत पांडे, ईटीवी न्यूज नेटवर्क से। सबसे खास बात जो नजर आ रही है वो कि एक बैटल ग्राउंड में जहां पर एक प्लेन क्रैश है, जहां पर एक प्लेन को गिराया गया, वहां भी प्यार की बातें हो रही हैं। तो आई एम श्योर कुछ किस्सा जुड़ा होगा इस खास सीन से।
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये वहाँ का एक कैसे बोलते हैं स्तंभ या एक लैंडमार्क है। अपेरेंटली बहुत सालों पहले, मुझे एग्जैक्ट ईयर नहीं मालूम है, एक प्लेन खराब हुआ था और जो पायलट हैं उन्होंने इसको वहीं पर लैंड कराया। बीच है वहाँ पे, इट्स कॉल्ड द ब्लैक बीच का एक्सटेंशन है, बहुत ठंड है वहाँ पे। एंड ही लैंडेड द प्लेन एंड नोबडी लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स। उन्होंने सबको बचा लिया था उस प्लेन के अंदर। So that plane crash site has been retained like that. और अभी रिसेंटली मैंने 6 दिन पहले देखा जस्टिन बीबर के नए गाने में भी उसने उसके ऊपर स्केट बोर्डिंग की है इस प्लेन के ऊपर। But it's strangely, let me say, it's amazingly graphic. एकदम black है और उसके ऊपर एक unfortunately nobody was hurt in that plane finally, and the pilot was commemorated in terms of the whole idea is कि उन्होंने जो काम किया इतना बहादुरी का, that plane has been kept there to show that to the people. But it's now obviously a tourist site and people go there and it's quite amazing to go and see it.
उस क्रैश में मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है।
ये वाला, ये एक ही व्हीकल है इस पूरी पिक्चर के अंदर जो रोहित शेट्टी ने नहीं तोड़ा।
That will be it, but I think there's one person who wants to ask one last question. Would you like to? Quickly. And then done.
Hey, the boyfriend. तुम्हारी पति कहाँ है? Some people want to ask.
Girlfriend कहाँ है?
If the last 2-3 questions we'll take them, then we'll go. Sorry, because I know you guys have waited a long time.
So, hi, my name is Madiha Khan, and I actually had 2 questions. One is for Kajol. Since it's a Rohit Shetty film, are we going to see you do action in this film?
Yeah, I get to beat him up quite a bit. Off screen at least. On screen maybe a little bit, not too much, no.
Thank you. My next question is for Shahrukh. चकदे के टाइम पे आपने बोला था कि आपको beard ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है because it itches a lot. But after that, जब तक है जा happened and then Dilwale and we again saw you with a beard look. So has anything changed? You fell in love with a beard look?
I think he looks damn sexy with the beard.
Yes, I do agree.
अब तो पूरी टीम की बेयर है, देख लो। हमारी टीम की यूनिफॉर्म है ये, तो लगानी पड़ती है, लेकिन खुजली बहुत होती है यार।
We'll have one last question, guys.
माइक्रोफोन ले ले, माइक्रोफोन।
तू खड़ा हो गया। ये जर्नलिस्ट लोगों में चाय लगता है। खड़ा हो जाओ।
Kajol, I Abhishek here from Pain.
टाइम ले लो।
Yeah, right. Okay, fine. Alright, so Kajol, would you, given a chance, would you want to get stranded with Shah Rukh Khan once again in those beautiful locations?
Well, let me just tell you that they might be beautiful to look at, but they're completely unlivable and inhospitable. And I wouldn't want to be stranded anywhere, period, without a 5-star hotel room nearby. So sorry, I'm not going to get stranded on any island. I'm going to make damn sure of that.
And Varun and Kriti, how long do you think it's going to take for you all to recreate, a Gerua once again, the way we saw it?
I think if Dilwale does really well, then Rohit sir said he'll get us 2 tickets to Iceland. Then हम लोग उधर फिल्म यूनिट के बगैर जाएंगे, एक आईपॉड पे गाना बजाएंगे और करेंगे उधर। No, I don't think having said that, I don't think there are any actors living that can create the magic that these two create. And we can all say that.
Stop it, enough.
We can all say that because I'm praising you. Wait. We can all say that because they have wonderful chemistry and all, which they do. But it's actually because they're really good actors and they're one of the best actors in this country.
Actually,
I agree with him. I agree. जो बोलता है बिल्कुल सही बोलता है यार।
So this is Nayandeep from DNA Straight. 20 years I've
Nayandeep अकेले आया किसके साथ आया?
where is your girlfriend?
There's nobody.
आज स्कूल नहीं है बेटा।
Vacancy है.
वो माँ है उसकी।
came with your better half?
Nobody here. 20 years have passed since Bazigar, DDLJ. This is the 7th film together. People have associated 2, 3, 4 adjectives to your pairing: magical, evergreen. But in an interview, Shah Rukh sir, you said that you don't perceive your chemistry the way audiences do. My question to both of you: how do you guys perceive yourself on screen?
Okay, confused. But I think the way I look at it, I'm like, oh wow, we've done such a good job and we've given such a great shot together. I think that's the way we look at it. We look at our work per se, and at least I do. What do you think?
एक्चुअली टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, हम दोनों ने कभी भी ऐसा हमने सोचा ही नहीं है कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो स्पेशल है. आई थिंक जस्ट बीइंग ऑर्डिनरी अबाउट इट मेक्स इट सो स्पेशल. ऑनेस्टली जब हम देखते भी हैं तो ऐसा लगता है यार ये तो अच्छा हो गया है. So we've never thought about it really. Because, I wish over the years people have asked us so often about this chemistry and I had a different answer. But the genuine truth is, we just don't know. I think we just do it. I think the best part is we don't know how good we can be. I think that's why we look good.
And where's the mystery in knowing anyways?
I think that will be it. I'd like to invite now on stage Shri Yogesh Lakhani ji from Bright Outdoor. Could we please have a photo op, sir? Thank you very much. Could we please have a photo op?